Hello everyone, I am Madhavi, working as a assistant professor in chemistry from H&S department in WITS College. Welcome to WITS Connect. General Engineering Chemistry, Diploma first year, first sem, General Engineering Chemistry. We have 6 units. First unit is a Fundamental of Chemistry. Okay, this Fundamental of Chemistry is again 3 chapters. First one is atomic structure, and second one is chemical bond, and third one is oxidation. This is the fundamental of chemistry is a atomic structure. What is atom? What is particles? Electron, proton, neutron, atomic number, mass number. Okay, and next one is a chemical bond. What is chemical bond? Chemical types of chemical bonds. There are 3 types of chemical bonds. This is a ionic bond, covalent bond, and third one is coordinate covalent bond. And next one is a oxidation reduction. Oxidation means what is oxidation, what is reduction, how to calculate the oxidation number calculations. These are the first unit fundamental of chemistry. Okay, and second unit is the solutions and colloids. Okay, solutions. What is solution? And solution is a 2 solute solvent. And next one molarity, normality, and numerical problems. And next one is a colloids. These colloids. What is colloid? This is the dispersed and dispersion medium. This is the solutions and colloids. The solution is the homogeneous mixtures. Homogeneous mixture means same. This is a colloids is a heterogeneous. Heterogeneous is a different. For example, solutions. Solutions is a milk in water, alcohol in water. Okay, this is the solutions, and solutions the molarity, normality, colloids. Okay, this is 2R is a first mid syllabus. First unit is the fundamental of chemistry, second one is the solutions and colloids. Okay, and third unit is the acids and bases. Okay, the third unit is acids and bases is acid. What is acid and what is base? Acid properties, base properties. And the next one is these acid base theories. 3 theories: Arrhenius acids and bases theory, Bronsted acids and bases theory, and Lewis acids and base theory. And next pH problems. Buffer solution. These are topics of the acids and bases. Okay, and next one is the environmental studies 1. These environmental studies is a 2. First one is the first sem. Environmental studies 2 is the second sem. Let us then first sem is only environmental studies 1. This is the one. What is what? What is pollutant? What is pollution? What is receptor? And next terms. That is a environmental studies. And these 2 topics is the second mid syllabus. Second mid is acids and next environmental studies. And the last 2 units is the water technology. Water technology is a water, 2 types, soft water, hard water. And the next one, this is that hard water is a hardness. What is hardness? This hardness is a 2 types, temporary hardness, and next one is a permanent hardness. Okay, then this removal of the permanent hardness is a ion exchange process, zeolite process, and next one is a municipal water treatment. Okay, and next last one is electrochemistry. Okay, this electrochemistry is a what is conductor, insulators, and next one is a Faraday's law 1, Faraday's law 2. Okay, these are the electrochemistry. These 2 units is a last external exams. This is the 60% syllabus. Okay, first unit is fundamental of chemistry. Okay, the first unit is a fundamental of chemistry. In first chapter is atomic structure. Okay, this what is atom? Okay, the atom is a small particle. Atom is a small particle. Okay, this small particle is invisible. Okay, this atom is a Greek word, atomia. Atomia is the atom. Okay, the small particle is atom. Okay, this small particle is a fundamental of particles. This fundamental of particles is a first one is a electron, second one is a proton, third one is a neutron. Okay, then the electron is discovered by J.J. Thomson. The electron is discovered is J.J. Thomson. Is a J.J. Thomson. It's very important. And next one, the electron name was suggested by Stoney. He's a scientist. Stoney. Okay. Electron name was suggested by Stoney. Discovered by J.J. Thomson. Okay. The electron is negatively charged particle. The electron is negatively charged particles. Okay. And the next one is proton. Okay. This proton is discovered by Goldstein. Okay. And this proton is a positively charged particle. Positive rays. Okay. This is the proton. Okay. Neutron is a negatively charged particle. Proton is positive charged particles. Okay. Then this proton is discovered by Goldstein. Okay. And next one is neutron. The neutron was discovered by Chadwick in 1932. Okay. This is a zero charge. It is a zero charge particles. Atomic number. Okay. Atomic number is the number of electrons or protons is next one is atomic number. The atomic number is the number of electrons or protons. Electrons or protons present in atom. Present in atom is called atomic number. Okay, the number of electrons or number of protons present in atom is called atomic number. The atomic number is generally denoted by capital Z. Capital Z. Okay, then it was proposed by Moseley based on results of X-ray spectral studies. The relation between frequency of X-ray and atomic number. Okay, the frequency of mu equal to A into Z minus B. Z equal to atomic number, A comma B equal to constants, and frequency mu equal to frequency of X-rays. Mass number. Mass number is the sum of protons and neutrons present in atom is called mass number. Number of the sum of protons and neutrons present in atom is called mass number. The mass number is generally denoted capital A. The mass number A equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. The difference between atomic number and mass number. This is the mass number, this is the atomic number. The difference between atomic number and mass number and atomic number, A minus Z equal to number of neutrons. For example, atomic number and mass number. What is atomic number? The number of protons or electrons present in atom is called atomic number. What is mass number? The number of protons and neutrons. How to calculate the neutrons? Then this is the atom. Sodium is atom. Okay. This bottom of the place is atomic number. Okay, this the top one is a mass number. Mass is weight. Okay, this is the mass number, this is atomic number. Then principle is a minus Z. Okay, this is the mass number, this is atomic number. Okay, this is the mass number is what is mass number 23 minus atomic number is 11 equal to 12. The number of neutrons, the number of protons is 11, the number of neutrons is 12. This is the calculated the number of neutrons. Okay, for example, oxygen. Oxygen is atom. This is the atomic number, this is the mass number. This is A, this is Z. Okay, this is the formula is A minus Z. Okay, this is the A equal to 16 and mass number is 8 equal to 8. This is the number of electrons or protons 8 and number of neutrons also 8. Okay, the number of neutrons is 8. Okay, and next another example is nitrogen. Okay, the atomic number is 7, mass number is 14. Okay, this formula is A minus Z. Okay, the 14 minus 7 equal to 7. Number of neutrons 7. Okay, the number of neutrons is 7. Protons 7, neutrons also 7. Atomic number is 11, mass number is 23. Okay, this is the A minus Z. This is the mass number, this is atomic number. This is the 3R examples. Next one is same examples, 1 to 30 elements. Okay, thanks for joining.